Starting a business is exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming if you don't know where to begin. So let's break it down. Here are 5 basics to starting a business the right way. Number 1, know your business and your market. It's not enough just to have an idea. You need to know who you're serving and what problem you're solving. Do your research and make sure there's demand for what you're offering. Number 2, choose the right business structure. Sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation. The structure you choose affects your taxes, liability, and how you operate. Talk to a professional and set this up the right way from the start. Get your finances in order. Don't mix your personal and business money. Open a business bank account, track your expenses, and set up an accounting system. If you don't keep an eye on your money, your business won't last. Number 4, create a simple business plan. And you don't need a 50-page document, but you do need a plan. Outline your goals, pricing, marketing, strategy, and how you'll make money. This will keep you focused and help you grow strategically. Number 5, start building your brand and network. Your business isn't just about what you sell, it's about how people see you and trust you. Secure your business name, website, and social media presence, and start connecting with the right people. Starting a business takes clarity, consistency, and connections, and that's exactly what BCN is here to help you with. If you need guidance, you don't have to do it alone. Join the Business Crossing Network and start surrounding yourself with people who can help you grow.